What's the meaning of allergen? Allergen. 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 Allergen.
An allergen is a substance that can cause an allergic reaction in some people. Allergic reactions occur when the immune system overreacts to a foreign substance, such as pollen or pet dander. Common allergens include dust mites, mold spores, insect venom, and certain foods such as nuts and shellfish. Exposure to an allergen can lead to symptoms such as itching, sneezing, runny nose, watery eyes, hives, and in severe cases, anaphylaxis. It's important for individuals with known allergies to avoid their specific allergens and seek medical attention if they experience severe symptoms.